Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM actually holds contacts. This saves time. Open your contacts or phone app now and tap the menu or settings icon. Once there, choose the option labeled Import/Export or Manage Contacts to view storage locations. Make sure you select SIM contacts so you're operating on the right list, otherwise you might edit local or cloud entries instead. If prompted, grant permission to access contacts so the app can read and modify SIM entries. Once you're viewing SIM contacts, use the App Select or Edit tool to mark entries for deletion. Tap the checkbox next to each number you want gone, or open a contact and choose Delete for a single entry. Make sure to read the confirmation dialog. Many phones warn that SIM deletions can't be undone because SIM storage has no undo or recycle. After confirming, wait a moment for the SIM write to complete before closing the app, ensuring the phone finishes updating the card. Finish by reopening the SIM contacts view to verify the numbers are gone. This double check prevents surprises later. If deleted entries still appear, power cycle the phone and recheck because some devices cache contacts. If that fails, use the SIM management tool within settings or a dedicated SIM utility app to edit entries, or remove the SIM and use a PC SIM reader as a last resort. Remember, backing up before drastic changes saves time. If things go wrong, restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.